A modern kitchen is more than just a place to cook. It is a social hub, a creative space, and often the visual centerpiece of the home. Minimalist design has become one of the most popular approaches for modern kitchens because it emphasizes simplicity, functionality, and timeless elegance. However, choosing the right minimalist furniture requires more than selecting plain cabinets and neutral colors. It involves thoughtful planning, material selection, and understanding how each piece contributes to both aesthetics and usability. If you are looking to create a clean, contemporary kitchen that feels open and sophisticated, this complete guide will help you pick minimalist furniture the right way. Understanding minimalism in modern kitchen design. Minimalism is not about emptiness or lack of personality. Instead, it focuses on intentional design. Every piece of furniture must serve a purpose. In a minimalist modern kitchen, clutter is eliminated, lines are clean, and visual distractions are reduced. The core principles of minimalist kitchen furniture include simplicity, functionality, neutral color palettes, hidden storage, and high-quality materials. The goal is to create a space that feels calm, organized, and visually balanced. Start with a neutral color foundation. Color plays a crucial role in minimalist kitchen design. Neutral tones create a clean and cohesive look. Popular minimalist kitchen colors include white, soft gray, beige, taupe, and muted earth tones. Matte black is also commonly used for accents. When choosing minimalist furniture, prioritize cabinets, islands, and tables in neutral shades. White cabinets create brightness and reflect light, making the kitchen feel larger. Gray and beige tones add warmth without overwhelming the space. Avoid bold patterns or overly decorative finishes. Instead, focus on smooth, consistent surfaces that maintain a calm visual flow throughout the kitchen. Choose clean lines and simple silhouettes. One of the defining characteristics of minimalist furniture is clean geometry. Look for straight lines, flat surfaces, and sleek edges. Slab cabinet doors without raised panels or ornate carvings are ideal for a modern minimalist kitchen. Kitchen islands should have simple rectangular shapes. Dining tables connected to the kitchen should have slim legs and uncomplicated designs. Avoid bulky or heavily detailed furniture that interrupts the streamlined look. Handleless cabinets or integrated handles are particularly popular in modern minimalist kitchens. Push-to-open mechanisms or recessed handles help maintain a smooth, uninterrupted appearance. Prioritize functionality and smart storage. Minimalism works best when everything has its place. Smart storage solutions are essential to prevent clutter from ruining the clean aesthetic. When selecting kitchen furniture, consider cabinets with built-in organizers, pull-out drawers, hidden compartments, and vertical storage systems. Deep drawers for pots and pans are often more practical than traditional lower cabinets. A minimalist kitchen island can also double as storage space. Choose designs that include concealed shelving or cabinets. This allows you to keep countertops clear while maximizing usability. Open shelving can be used sparingly, but it should remain organized and uncluttered. Too many visible items can quickly disrupt the minimalist look. Select high-quality materials. Because minimalist design reduces decorative elements, materials become more noticeable. Quality matters more than quantity. Common materials for minimalist kitchen furniture include solid wood with simple finishes, engineered wood with matte laminate, stainless steel, glass, quartz or stone countertops. Natural wood tones can soften a modern kitchen while maintaining simplicity. Light oak or walnut works well in minimalist spaces. Matte finishes are generally preferred over glossy ones because they create a softer and more refined appearance. Quartz countertops in neutral tones complement minimalist cabinets beautifully. Avoid overly busy patterns in stone surfaces, as they may distract from the clean design. Focus on proportion and scale. In a minimalist kitchen, balance is key. Oversized furniture can make the space feel cramped, while furniture that is too small may appear insignificant. Measure your kitchen carefully before choosing furniture. Kitchen islands should allow enough walking space around them. Dining tables should fit comfortably without crowding cabinets or appliances. Slim profile furniture is often better suited for minimalist kitchens. Thin countertops, Narrow table legs and streamlined bar stools help maintain a light and open atmosphere. In smaller kitchens, consider compact multifunctional furniture. Foldable tables or extendable surfaces can provide flexibility without sacrificing space. Incorporate subtle textures for warmth. While minimalism emphasizes simplicity, a completely flat and sterile look can feel cold. Subtle texture adds warmth and dimension without compromising the minimalist style. You can introduce texture through natural wood grain, brushed metal finishes, matte cabinetry, or soft upholstered seating. Even slight variations in material finishes can create visual interest while keeping the overall look cohesive. For example, pairing matte white cabinets with a light wood island adds contrast without overwhelming the design. The key is to keep textures understated and harmonious. Keep furniture low profile and streamlined. Minimalist modern kitchens benefit from low-profile furniture. Avoid tall, bulky pieces that dominate the space visually. Instead, choose sleek bar stools with thin frames, minimalist pendant lighting, and simple dining chairs. Furniture with exposed legs can make the kitchen feel more open compared to heavy base structures that sit directly on the floor. Floating cabinets are another excellent option for achieving a contemporary minimalist aesthetic. The more visually lightweight your furniture appears, the more spacious your kitchen will feel. Integrate appliances seamlessly. A truly minimalist kitchen integrates appliances into the overall design. Built-in refrigerators, concealed dishwashers, and flush-mounted ovens help maintain visual continuity. When selecting furniture, ensure cabinets are designed to accommodate integrated appliances. Panel-ready appliances that match cabinet finishes are ideal for preserving the clean look. Avoid freestanding appliances that break the visual flow unless they contribute intentionally to the design, such as a sleek stainless steel range in a monochrome kitchen. Limit decorative elements. Minimalism thrives on restraint. When choosing furniture for your modern kitchen, resist the temptation to add decorative carvings, intricate hardware, or bold statement pieces. Instead, allow the simplicity of the furniture to speak for itself. A well-designed minimalist kitchen often feels luxurious precisely because it avoids excess. If you want to personalize the space, consider subtle accents such as a single statement pendant light, a simple fruit bowl, or a carefully chosen piece of wall art. The key is moderation. Think long-term and timeless. Minimalist furniture is an investment in longevity. Trendy shapes or flashy finishes may look appealing today, but can quickly feel outdated.